Hi, my name is Lisa. This is my corner. You're very welcome. This is where we talk about art. We talk about art hauls, vlogs, supplies, books, inspiration, everything really. But today is something, it's a little moment for me. I've been really looking forward to this. I got this beast, the MIYA 50 pan. This is the 50, I know there's a 54, 56. Gouache set, jelly gouaches. Oh, it's an absolute animal. I paid £31.99 on Amazon and it's got here in 2 days delivery time. So excited. I love it. So hang around. Let me take you through it. I'm not going to swatch it because I know the quality. I know I love it. So yeah, hang around. I'm going to deep hot everything and give you my thoughts. Here we go. It's an Amazon moment. What have we got here? Well, obviously I know what it is. You guys don't know what it is. Let's have a look. I'm so excited. Very, very excited. Yay! It's this beast. It's this absolute chonker. Great hunk of burning love. Okay, let's do this without smashing everything up. Okay, I'll turn this off for a second. So just wanted to talk you through why I've bought this. Why I have finally bought this. Because, and this is why. This is my HIMI gouache. This is my second HIMI gouache. And I love it. And I haven't had it that long, but as is the case with HIMI, it's started to dry out and look a bit manky. But apart from anything else, see, I've got two of these over here. They've since both been thoroughly cleaned. One of them has got white vinegar, tea tree, eucalyptus, rub and alcohol, a load of magical yokies in it. And I like to sort of spray it to keep the flies at bay, and I spray it around the bed and I do mix them up, didn't I? So this absolutely stinks. It's like a chippy on a Friday night, so it has to go. It can no longer remain. So I'm going to hang on to this mixing thing. Yes, I'm going to do that. Okay, so join me while I open this. Okay, so here's my first mistake. I forgot that they're all sealed. Little swatch card. It's handy. This is a secure fit. Watch me break it. Is that? It's foam backed. Okay. So there doesn't seem to be a mixing bit. Might have to investigate that. Okay, so let me open all of these up. See you in an hour. Here we go. Here's the last one. And listen, folks, if you're here expecting nice, orderly procession, no mess, no fuss, I'm afraid you've come to the wrong place. This is not the place for you guys, because my brain doesn't operate that way. So luckily enough, luckily for me, it seems that, let's turn it this way, everything is coming in a nice sort of chromatic order. Is that a word that I've just made up? Might have. Okay, it's gorgeous. It smells. Yeah, it does. It does smell like fish oil. Sort of weird. Yeah. So here's everybody. Hi, how are you? We're pretty. I love it. I really do. I'm particularly drawn. Oh, it smells like emulsion. Cheap emulsion. But anyway, I suppose it's the same. Let me just wipe here. Oh yes, that's good. So these bigger pans are very, very handy. Very handy, very handy. What more can I say except very handy? There's a really big phthalo blue up here. I'm not going to swatch them because I can't. Lovely bright neons as well. Neon pink. neon pink, neon-y, orangey, yellow. So, and I love these dusky pastels. They're very appealing. So that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't know what else to say at this point. I'm sure you've seen thousands of unboxings of these things, but I love it. I'm really happy. It was a gift to myself. So for me and my new MIYA box of good times, just pray I don't spray vinegar on it again. Boy, look at my hands. Stay. Ew. There you go. The MIYA gouache. Jumbo, enormous packet of gouaches, jelly gouaches to end all gouaches. And I believe, now this just occurs to me, I believe you can get sachets to refill them. I'm going to look and I'm going to put down the details here somewhere. And I'll pop those in because that is a genius idea. Because that's a big old lump of plastic. That's 31 quid, 50. Listen, I'll do the maths as well, divide it up and give you a general idea of what it is per pot. And that's a lot of plastic to throw away, really, isn't it? And then to lash out again. So if you could refill them, let me double check it and I'll get back to you. And we'll take it as we go along. In other news, the website is pulling the trigger on it, isn't it? It's about self-belief. It's about focusing on it properly and confidence to do it. And I'm still, listen, I'm getting there. It's a step at a time, but I'm still working towards it. It's not that I don't have the resources. I have the resources. I have the help, and that there's been people who've been very kind with their time and their advice, practical as well as in an advisory capacity. So they've really got no excuses to stop me, but I just keep sidetracking myself. Right, so that's everything for today. You know all the rest of it. Do like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Do you like these guys? If you've never tried jelly gouache, don't lash out 30 or 40 quid. They can run to a bit more expensive, I think. Buy the 6-pan or the 18-pan. Is there 24s? The HIMI gouache ones, they're very nice to start with, and it'll let you know whether or not you're going to like them before you commit to this. But again, up to yourself. So, thank you for joining me. Come back and see me again soon. Do all the other stuff, the liking, the subscribing, the commenting, it all helps. And I really appreciate you coming and seeing me, and come and see me again soon. Bye for now. Stay creative, yeah, all of that.